Later, the buy recharge you're gonna play so. Later, for the back, this is recharge. Oh, no. Later, like, so on it. You want to copyright, copyright. It's just, when I would ever code now. Yo, what's Gucci, everybody? Right, Raumana. Ladies and gentlemen, what's good? So, guys, today, basically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a live trade, yeah, and a small talk about the trading strategy that I basically discovered for myself on synthetics. On synthetics. So let's rock it and let's get it done. So guys, yeah. We are increasing. The number is increasing, bruh. The number is increasing, and I love that. Big shout out to you guys for this. I love that. I love that. I love that. I love that. So I don't know if we can start right now. If we can start, just tell me in the comments right there. Just tell me like, Steve, let's go. We want to take a live trade right now, and after taking a live trade right now, then see if we can make profit or blow the account. Because the account is literally smallest account. Yeah. Yesterday I blew my account. We were trading boom 1,000. It is what it is. I blew my account, so now I'm trying to like grow the account. Yeah. So if you want us to start right, can you all see my screen? Before I start, guys, I want to know if you can see my screen. The men have been on my tail ever since I helped your friend here escape. I finally caught up with me in Hell's Gate. Hell's Gate? Yeah, my friend brought the video and upload and I said, babies. Baby girl. My friend brought the video and upload and I see it is moving. So guys, what's going on? So let's go on for hours. So right now I'm still backtesting. I'm still backtesting 8-hour time frame to see if it can work on our strategy. So let's scout for trades and look if we can find something right there on boom 300 days now. There is blank. Okay, let's share again the screen. Okay, guys, I hope you can now see my screen. If you can see my screen, there's a shout out. So basically, 500, is something. Yes, I can see it, but okay, let's just take that. Let's just take that. There's an inside bar type of a candlestick. We are going down. So let's try to look for entry. So this is the whole formation of the candle. So this is the strategy, guys. So we go on 1 hour. I'm looking for a trade, then I'll explain later the strategy. So right here, you can see on 1 hour, this is what we are looking at. And we go to 15 minutes. On 15 minutes, what are we looking for? We said we use either trend lines, either some key levels, whatever that we can see there to find an entry, beat uh, beat Fibonacci retracement too, but for now I cannot use Fibonacci. The reason is I don't have a reversal here. So what I'm waiting for is I'm waiting for price to pull back a little bit. You understand? Then I sell. So this is the strategy. It's easy, guys. It's easy. So let's go on Boom 500 and look for a trade. It doesn't have to take you like 5 minutes or so to just look for an entry. This trade was a mess. Let me remove there. Okay, so here there is no trade. There is a trade basically, but not really perfect. Crash 1000. Let's see. Crash 1000. There was a trade. Nah, there is no trade on Crash 1000. On Boom 1000, damn, on Boom 1000, there was a trade. Yesterday, we made a loss. Like, I blew my account with Boom 1000. We were trying to buy, but from the look of things, it seems like Boom did what he wanted yesterday. This was the signal of yesterday. I'll use this example when I'm explaining. So here is today's entry. So let's see if we can find something, but we're already late. So let's go on 1 hour. 1 hour looking for a trade. Damn, yesterday, just after blowing our accounts, then it did move 2 hour. Damn, I didn't check it today though, but it is what it is. So we are looking for entries right now. 1 hour, we are looking for entries. We are already above the area. So let's keep looking for entries. Let's use our strategies, whatever the levels and stuff. You can see right there, there is a. If you are catching spikes, you might support and resistance is the one. But if you're trying to catch a tick are crazy. They don't respect to those. So let's try to connect maybe a trend line or something. There's more to this strategy, guys, but what I teach you, you can even make money with it. You understand? I bet. So here, I don't see no trade, bro. There's no trade here yet, but more buys coming on Boom 1000. We'll keep checking it. So let's go on Boom 300. 4 hour time frame. On 4 hour time frame, there is none. Boom 600. 4 hour. There is, let's see, there was something. We are still using this signal there. Let's see, we already reversed. We are now pushing down. So this is the signal for today. If you can put it here, put it right here. So this is today's signal. Let's see on 1 hour. On 1 hour time frame, let's see if we can find something crazy there. Let's remove this zone. 1 hour, there is nothing. 15 minutes. On 15 minutes, I feel like there is something. We said we need this high. That's now our stop loss level. So if you are selling right now, we are putting our stop loss somewhere, which is here. And this trade is not really a trade to hold. It is a small trade to what? To just scalp. Let's see. So our TP1 is here, TP2 there. So let's just put it here. So it's a 1S to, not even 1S to 1 trade. It is not worth taking, but let's just try for the sake of this live. We said we have a small account. I don't know if it can open boom 600s. Let's see. I don't know. Yeah, you can hear from the sound game. We went in with two positions and it's already like saying no enough money. So it basically means we are holding this for few minutes so that we can grow the account. If it doesn't spike, if it spikes, we are losing the whole of everything in a minute. Waiting for the trades to mature to give us two trades and we used the whole margin. Then boom seems to be going up now. So let me use this example and we look for a trade, not look for a trade basically on boom, but let me just explain. Let me remove. So strategy iyi inoshanda sei guys? Strategy iyi inoshanda through atinoti continuation candlesticks. You understand? We only look for continuation candlesticks. We don't look for reversal. Yes, we look at two things. Two things I mean we look for reversal and a continuation what? And a continuation candlestick. You understand? Let me look for this thing in and I won. If few candles are going up, you understand? That means for this strategy, this is the structure of this strategy. I know the structure, how the structure is looked at, like just say structure, higher highs and higher lows. For this strategy, we only look for candlesticks. You understand? So where are the candle most candlestick going? Most candlesticks on 4 hour, 4 hour, most candlesticks are going up. You can see from these lows. Don't sleep on this strategy, guys. More candlesticks are going up. So this basically means each and every candle that you are going to find inside of this 4 hour range, it should be a continuation candlestick for you to take a trade. You are not supposed to look for an entry if price is here. You see how the momentum was, and then you try to look for an entry here. Yes, you can make few profits, but your chances of getting a drawdown or a loss are high if you don't know how to really trade. You understand? So what you look for, you need an area like this area right here, whereby the market is giving you continuation candlesticks. Even here, there was a continuation candlestick that pushed price to this top, and then from here, there was a continuation pattern candlestick. So by continuation candlesticks, what do I mean? I mean, let's say the market is moving to the upside, it's pushing with, like for this example, with green candles, which are buy candles. You understand? Then there'll be a retracement. That retracement could lower time frame meaning it will be a bigger retracement. You understand? But with this 4 hour, it might be just a one candle or two single candles or two candles like this going down opposite this thing. You understand? Yo, fuck it. Then after that, you see a bigger buy candle or an engulfing or an inside bar, whatever the candlestick that appears there. So Siyana now, if you are trading using, sorry, I got carried away. So you if you don't know these candlesticks, I hope most of you have my WhatsApp number. You can just DM. I'll give you a candlestick Bible for free. Not for free. It's not even sold. I'll give you a candlestick Bible overenga over waona candlesticks and kutaura. So it's either engulfing, whatever, but I mainly use engulfing and inside bars. So for the case of engulfing, it must close above. So after closing above, we need these two formations. You understand? The low of this candle and the high of this candle. Anything that will happen inside here, we are looking for an entry, and our stop loss, of course, it should be below here. But we don't put a stop loss right there. We wait. We don't just place a trade and put stop loss here. We look for an entry inside of this area. The moment price cross below here, that's our invalidation zone. So let me take it as an invalidation zone. Price should not cross up below here, but you're allowed to put stop losses anywhere inside of this area if you have a smaller account. You understand? So here is our invalidation zone. The moment that we say this trade is invalid is the moment price trades below that candlestick formation low. So after getting your high and your low, what if price from here just opens and push to the upside like this? The trade is still valid, mind you. The only time the trade is not valid is when the trade gives you a second candle and it closes above like this. That's the only time that's the only time the strategy is not valid. Or if this candle becomes very huge, very huge like this, it becomes invalid. But if the candle doesn't move 100% of the previous one, if this engulfing was a bigger engulfing, this candle is must be a smaller candle. You understand? After iroro, then you look for an entry anyway. Paunongoona an entry. But for the most cases, we like to see price going down here in that 4 hour formation, then rotanga kubaya nesu nesu tichitoenda navo. You understand? We need to catch entries inside of this. So let's put it to practical. Rega tichitanga kutoona pamacharts kuti tinokwanisa kuwane. So nezuro with my team in our group takatowana bhai redu rakanaka but takazoblowa nekuda kwekuti afull margin now apa account yange iri diki. So you can see from this point right here, yeah, trade rakapinda reya riri profit, guys. Riri profit is, I don't know if you can see, it is in profits and it's in profit of two. The account is $8, mind you. So we are currently, so let's see if we can add another position. Let's see. Now we cannot. It is what it is. So as you can see, this was the candle. The market was pushing up, then we got an engulfing candle inside of this range. That's where we look for entries, either 50% or 61.8% of this candlestick. That's where we look for entries. Then market, you can see these two few candles bought. So after that, there's also another formation that was formed, which was here. So now we can use this area. Let's check this thing. We can use this low and this high of this candle. There was a candlestick formation that happened here. Price was selling a little bit, then it reversed right here. So this was some of the things that I was saying right now. Kuti, you can see this candle is where we look for our entries. You see this candle is a week. So our entries were in this week. Do our entries. You understand? Then price pushes to the upside. Let it in profit, but since we are late, it's fine. This candlestick closed. But that that means we can also look for an entry. We can go to our 1 hour time frame. So entry tunoiwana kupi? Tunoenda from 1 hour to 15 minutes. 1 hour tinenge tichingotsvaga either a high and a low that we can connect, or but high and a low yatinokwanisa kuconnect kuti tiise Fibonacci. But we have a high, low, high, low. There's a lot of noise here. We don't need this. So we go to 15 minutes to really see clear things. You understand? So now we have this low and this high, this low and this high, this low and this high. We cannot use the Fibonacci on a market that is moving like this. Yes, it works, but it's a really bit tricky. So now we can use even trend lines. If this trend line is not connecting well, trend lines, they have no rule, guys. Musambove makanyabera trend line harina rule. Paunongokwanisa kuconnecta two malines ari kutacha zvakanaka. Put the trend line, bro. Put the trend line. Pauri kukwanisa kuconnecta matrend line. Inini sometimes I even go, let me look for that example. Okay, let me check. I use it on a channel. Look at me. I even use it on a channel. Where is the channel? Yeah, here. I even use the channel sometimes kuti ndinobata this whole thing going down ndichibata ndakadai so, then I push my channel to the top kuti ndiwane an entry for that moment. You can see from that moment I got an entry here ndakatombo buy, then price did what it did, then you understand. So trend lines, they have no rule, chako kungoconnecta pari kumake sense chete. So we can even use this whole area over here, you understand, then to butter this smaller high using our channel. So we can even take an, since tine mamwe positions our account is small, I school accommodate all of those entries. So if we can do this, we take an entry somewhere around here, and then we go with it to the upside. You understand? Our stop loss just below here. We don't want it to break below. If it break below, wait, tichingoita tumafufu. Let's see kuti tikwanise kupinda this boom kana trade risati, right? So let's go on boom. Let's see kuti tinokwanisa kuwana maentry tokwanisa kupinda. Yeah, so we went in une two positions, one, in fact yavhura one position right here. So I hope you understood the strategy. Amen. Kana muri kuibata strategy, kana pane pawasara, just type below, chingotaura below, then we talk about that area right now. Kana pane vanetsa chingotaura chingopapedzera. Kana pane paunenge uchifila kuti hapana pandingi ndatisarei. This is a great strategy, guys. Do not sleep on this strategy. Do not sleep on this strategy. Right, guys, check what boom did. This is crazy and wild, bro. What? Wanna end? I don't know if you can see the end, bro. Check the what? Check the end. Wanna end? So no about. Oh, yo. This is wonderful, bro. This is wonderful, and we made like $7 on this single trade with minimum lot size. Our account is now on $16. God damn. I'm on a strategy yakaomarara. So our entry was just on that week. You can check on that week, bruh. This is wild and crazy at the same time, bro. Same time. And what and crazy. So our next entry is when price come back to this channel retest, and we go with it, bro. We go with it, bro. We go up with it, bro. This is nice. This is nice. Amana strategy yakaipa, man. Do not sleep on these things. People sleep on these strategies. This strategy, guys, I don't sell it, bro. I just give it out for free. And like, do not respect that. Munofana ngo respect my works, guys. Munofana ngo respect my works. I don't know if you can see. $7 you have from 8 Maria account, bro. Damn, imagine that entrepreneur and 5 my positions. This was literally crazy. Bro, I don't sell this strategy. It's for free. Kana kuzofunga kuzodp so unyanzo understand that 1v1 with me ndopa ndozokuti achindibhadhara something. But if you just want to learn it for free, just come to my YouTube each and every day. Be in my group for updates. That link here. Come, that is this strategy. Talk this strategy for free, guys. For free. You don't pay for nothing on this strategy. It's for free, guys. Achieve this thing of everything like that. I understand. These are simple strategies. I cannot sell you this simple strategy unless what else this my channel is I probably but as for now, the trend line are not rule. understand that you want to talk about the channel right now. Let's look for another trade that is a channel. Let's look for any pair. Okay, any pair basically, and look for that thing. How we can connect a channel. Channel are not rule, guys. So let's try to connect a channel pana per market nenge ino. Take our parallel channel. You find it on Trading View. Then you connect two. You only need two touches channel. You understand? After getting two touch, or if you can even go as far as cutting this thing in quotation. So, but the process of having a trend line nderekuwana pane matachi wewe zviya zvekuti uda kubata tuma-weeks chete zviri kumusoro zvese haunei nazvo. If those things can connect, if they can tell a story, trend line nderengokuudza a story, you understand, uri kungoudzwa kastory netrend line kuti price was doing this. So that's the whole story about trend lines and stuff. So right now we can use our channel going down or going up. If you want to go up, it means we are trading like this. But if you are going low like this, but going low like this, my which you have to understand. Let me look for an example. Is really this weird? So okay, let's use that. So andikona market pataisa apa ndo parivhesera market, but we never knew kuti ndo paicharivhesera, ndo payarivhesera. So we put that whole thing ipapo handed. So chakutibatsira papo, chakutibatsira kuziva kuti if this market is selling, we are looking for entries either pakati panapa or when the market comes back to this high. So ando ama entries edu, it's either panapa or pamusoro apa. So simple as that, bro. Simple as that. So let's go kana pane rimwe page titsvage futi pekuti ticonnect our channel. Okay, let's go. You can even use the channel, bro, on a horizontal market, but for this case, let's see kuti tinoconnect papo. Trend line harina rule, sambonyeperwe pari kungonobata bata chete ipapo, ndo rule yaro iyoyo. Handikona panapa tiri kutobata takadai so. This is a perfect example, bro. So panapa it's either we put it here or we put it here. Panapa I think pano make sense because why taisa up this low touch. You understand? So after doing that, you see pane price right now. Currently pane price. The price is it's another strategy. I don't know, bro. That's the whole juice and the sauce and rukutokupa and those sauce ya jone. So let's see on boom kuti tingawane another entry here. Let's see if we can find an entry on boom 1k. Let's go in 5 minutes. Boom radadisa gentleman ranyatsotipa a nice a nice entry. Rutendo mids. Okay, let me come to your question real quick. I don't know if you are still on this slide. I don't know if you are still there, but let me come to your question. Let me respond to you right now. Say, I'm on the screen. It's okay. I'm fixing that. Don't worry. Okay, Anzi. Then retracement first, then enter. Yes, you wait for a retracement. Each and every time you trade, you wait for a retracement. You don't buy or you don't buy kind of price. You don't sell when the price is too low. And this is what I mean. Kind of chiti retracement. Let's say Tawana this is what Tawana strategy high and low. And this is the inside of the whole thing. Price is somewhere around here. You wait for price to retrace. Put again for that retracement. to go up. So each and every day, you just wait for a retracement. You don't buy if price is already at the top. You buy if the price is for my entries for you to buy. It's cheap. Wakabaira kumsoro manje. What if panotanga retracement? It means you are now losing a lot of money. You understand? You are now losing a lot of money nekuda kwe that ignorance. And hope the thing. If you want me to explain again the strategy on another pay, or you kana manzwisisa kana nakashaya no commenter, then it means we are going to close to end this. Get like 3 comments, it means we repeat what we just said. So I'm waiting on you guys. Mahabuti end life. Also, Tatura trade made a profit. It is what it is. Imagine doing that each and every day, bro. It is simple. It is simple. It is simple, guys. Don't. Yeah. So I guess my bo Messi, because no one is responding. So it basically means my understand the strategy. And to batana foot again, it says that tomorrow or the any day that nigga that I say that nigga does with this live. I don't know when, but I'm trying as much as I can. Okay, someone commented, Anzi, you can just give us an example. It said chat Rakadarika. I don't really understand that, but let me just candlestick pattern. So it doesn't have to take you a lot of more minutes or whatever to look for that. You can just see it faster. You understand? Right now, you can see we have a candlestick confirmation. That's number one of the strategy. Candlestick confirmation. Okay, chatra teaser. Let me put it back. Boom. Mumwe munhu wanakadonha futa. It means we are closing this live because I cannot keep on repeating to the same people. Okay, tato 9, it's fine. So I was saying, guys, this is just a repetition of what we discussed. Tatizo, we need a candlestick reversal. Sorry, a continuation candlestick. Candlestick, something like happened here, and we take a high and a low of that candlestick. Inside of that range, that's where we look for entries. So it basically means we wait for a retracement inside of that area using either Fibonacci. This example, we didn't have an example. Right? Taisa consider Fibonacci because this example is kuti bvumira. Fibonacci to chance if the market is clear with the high and the low. So it's either Fibonacci trend lines, a parallel channel, support or resistance. Those are the oro atinoti quarterly levels. Quarterly levels ndo andozodzidzisa ku-private space, but as for now, if you know these things, you can definitely make money. I'm gonna not some quarterly levels, but we caught an entry that was beautiful and we made a profit. You understand? So let's go on 1 hour. After your high and your low, you go on your 1 hour time frame. You understand? You go on your way on your 1 hour time frame. After going to a 1 hour time frame, you need a high and a low is clear. Right here, we can see a lot of highs and lows, high, low, high, low, high. So right here, we cannot use a Fibonacci. That's number one. We put it aside. So we have three entry models. Fibonacci we trade on the level 50 or level 618. Only we don't just place a trade. We wait for price to give us a sign that is now reversing on those areas. Then we take a trade. If you don't see that in 1 hour and 15 minutes, my entry, my entry time frames. You understand? 1 hour and what? In 15 minutes. So on 15 minutes, we have this trend line is coming from this area going up. This is the trend line that we have. Guys, cuckoo bye.